target these core muscles, and we're going to work through uprights and on the floor. You can use hand weights, you don't have to. Closed fists, get those punchy fists going if you haven't got anything to use. Okay, let's start off with a little kick out. And just warm ourselves up a little bit. Shake out the arms. I'm not wearing trainers. At home, you don't need to. Okay, standing upright. Little widen your shoulders. Clasp your hands, take it up. And I want you to stretch it up. You need the stretch to lift up the ribs and get those abs. Wonderful. Bit more. Lengthen it up. Be stronger. Oh, fantastic. Okay, easy. And then we're going to the side, so left. Okay, so pull it through the arm. Okay. So right arm, stretching over the top. Hold on, but what I want you to feel is that little bit of pull that comes from the side of the body. Really important to get down the sides of the body as well as work from the front, because I'm going to get you. Nice and easy, up. And right side. Come on, pull that stretch. Keep smiling, because I am. Love a bit of abs. Wonderful. Okay, up. Arms forward. Okay, tilt your pelvis, tuck your butt in. So as you lengthen the arms forward, this is about your lower back. Really important, because we do use lower back. Doing it a bit as well. Nice one. Okay. Coming upright, release the hands and clasp behind you. You stay facing me. I'll turn slightly sideways on. Okay, so you can just see that I'm pulling away from the bottom. If it's too much for your shoulders, pull downwards, or you can pull back. So this is just getting the stretch across the chest, down through the arms. Especially if you're going to use hand weights, you want to make sure you're ready. Nice one, okay. Relax it, shake it out. A little bit of leg work, because you're going to be working with your legs. They've got to be strong to ground your feet, especially when you've got your crunches coming through. So, knee ups. Just power up these legs. Nice. Get your feet through. Yeah, got to work, got to be strong, got to be warm. Okay. Kick it out. Easily done. We'll get down. So, lengthen your mat. Doesn't matter which end. You can stay, if you're opposite me, it's fine. You can still turn the seat. Get yourself down on the floor. Okay. So, you need mat length behind you. Not to lie down just yet. I want you to make sure that you've got yourself comfortable. Hands just below your knees. Push your chest forward. Okay. Toes up, really important. Don't want your toes pushed to the front. Okay. So, nice strong posture. Strong back. Exhale, squeeze your belly. This is about your abs now. Okay. Squeeze, breathe. Clasp your hands. Okay. Kite, side to side. So, we're just working through. Get ourselves revved up. No hand weights just yet. Just side to side. Getting a little bit of twist. Working the obliques down the sides of the abs. Keep it going. Come on. Keep it going. Focus. Without a hand weight, you work faster. So, when we pick up the hand weight, you might slow it down a bit, but that's fine. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Continue without hand weight, or now pick up. So exactly the same applies. So nice strong back, exhale, squeeze your belly and breathe. Kayak, let's go. So you might feel now that the pace is slightly slower with a hand weight, but you might push that little bit harder to get the pace, same as without them. Okay. So I'm really pushing through the effort now to match clasped hands only. Not easy at all, I can tell you. Keep it going. Come on. Getting warm now. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Brilliant. Put that hand weight down, but on the opposite side. You need one either side now. Push through to sit up straight. Okay, so from here, nice strong back. Not curling the shoulders. Toes pointing upwards, really important. Arms forward. Simple move, this one. All you do is hinge from the hips and sit up. Don't curl your back and try and do it like this. It doesn't work. Focus here. Okay, straight arms, straight legs, straight back. Let's go. Just forward and back. Nice. So you're hinging from the hips, you're engaging the abs, so your core work is strong. So as you lean forward, you're squeezing your belly. You do the squeeze as you lean back. So it's got this rowing action going. So again, this one, nice and easy, nice simple move, very effective, but without hand weight, it's obviously a little bit quicker. 3, 2, 1, okay, breathe. So your next effort now is with a hand weight or not, you choose. Again, remember, with the hand weight, you might feel that it's slowed down a bit spine. Arms length forward, strong back, let's go. So keeping that nice and strong, don't lock your elbows. Keep the elbows bent easy, just so that you've got a bit of support. Don't want to strain your shoulders. So forward and back. Oh boy, this is a tough one. 3, on 2, and 1. What are we like, babe? Okay, so again, not without. But we're going to take the feet a little wider. So about your mat width will do. Make sure you're sitting comfortably. Okay, exactly the same. But instead of forward at shoulder level, we're going to scoop it down towards the floor, so between the distance of your feet. Okay, so again, arms forward, abs strong, let's go. Just that little scoop down. So you come up level and low to the floor. Keep it going. Remember, you're pulling the belly in all the time and keeping it nice and tight, even as you sit up. So each way is nice and strong. Breathe. On 3, on 2, and finish. Okay, fantastic. Repeat that again without a hand weight, all this time picking up. 1. So remember, stop if you need to, arms forward, abs in, and we go. Low and up. It's that little lift upwards that really gives you that pull into the belly. So the weight will give you that little bit more from your work. get you to sit up. Come on. Abs in all the time. Don't let go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice one. Excellent. So, hand weight on the side, just out of the way for now. We're coming back down onto the elbows now. So, feet a little closer, bend the knees up. Now, come down. So, if you're just going to recline, when you're on a beach somewhere, slide the hands round behind the bottom. Now, bring those heels in much closer. I want you to exhale and squeeze your belly down. Keep squeezing your abs. Okay, push from the elbows so that you've got a nice strong hold. Okay, this is heel work now, up and down. So, we're focusing on lower abs now. Keep it going. Come on, keep smiling out there. You know it makes sense. Come on. Keep it going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, feet down, breathing. Let's round up a bit. So we're going to go with both up and down, or you can repeat what we've just done with alternate goes like this. Okay, so do what feels better for you. Get ready, exhale, belly tight, let's go. Keep squeezing the abs. Don't lose it now, come on. I know you're saying this is really hard, but I like it. Come on. I like to make us work and feel. Have fun. 4. On 3. Keep smiling. On 2. And 1. Nice. Push the sit up. Good, by the way. I like a tough exercise. Keeps me on the toes. Okay. So we're going to lie down now. You need to make sure you've got enough mat behind you. So maybe move the top end a little bit. Bend the knees up. Arms forward. Exhale. Glide it down. Okay. Bring your feet in closer. Make sure your heels stay on the floor. Tilt the pelvis, so you've got your back flat and your belly down. So, similar to what we've done propped up on the elbows, but this time, okay, we're going to work on balls of the feet. Okay, so we'll do the tapping. Back down, belly down, be strong, let's go. Focus. And if you thought the last one was a hard one, this one will match it and some. Come on. Come on. 3, on 2, and 1. Breathe. Okay, you don't get long to have a rest, so focus. So it's both together now, or again, alternate ones we've just done. Back down, belly down. Get ready, and go. Come on. Few more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Breathe. Nice one. Okay. I'm going to part the feet about mat width now. Okay. Tilt your pelvis back down, belly down. So bring the feet in close enough so that you've got a nice comfortable move in and out tap. So I'll just show you that it's in and out, this one. This is great, it's going to target through your lower abs and your pelvic muscles. Get ready, lift those heels up, abs down, let's go. Come on, don't lose it now. You want to add to your effort, crunch it. Here we go in. Come on, a little bit of time, this is good. 4, 3, 1, 2, 1. Rest. Breathe. Wonderful work. Okay. Feet just a little further forward, making sure your toes stay on the floor, so you've got your feet grounded. You only need one hand right now, so pick that up carefully. And we're going to hold this across the chest. Okay. So back down, belly down. I'll demonstrate one for you. We come through, up, crunch. Glide the weight to return to chest. Okay. We're going to do 20 of these, but if you need to stop at 10 or 15, that is fine. Back down, belly down, get ready. Inhale, exhale, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rip the abs as you sit up. 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. Counting down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Come on. 5, 4, 3. You can do this. 2, 1. Fantastic. Okay. Put that weight to your side, out the way. Bring your feet much closer now. Keep your back to the floor, your belly down. Arms to your sides, palms down. Okay. Exhale, get those legs up. Flex the feet flat to the ceiling. We're going to crisscross feet. Get ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's halfway. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet together and down. Breathe. Okay, so throughout these, you must keep the belly down and strong. We're going to take those legs up again. Exhale, and legs up. Okay. Split legs, again, targeting those lower abs. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Breathe. Okay. Your next effort is the walk. Just when the legs are up, they move. Forward, back. Get ready, legs up. Get ready, and we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice, down. Okay, fantastic. So far, so good. One more for lying down. Nice and simple. We're just going to straighten up the legs and touch down. We're going to do 20 of these. Back down, belly down. Get ready? And we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Come on. 2, 1. Sit up. Excellent work. Okay. Hand weights time. You can stay facing sideways on like me if you like. Okay. So we can work this together. Hold the hand weights by your hips, ends up. All you're going to do is move forward and pull the weights back to your hips. Okay. These aren't a rush. Be aware of your back, keep strong, abs tight. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, come on, 9, 10, keep it going, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Turn and face me now. Just bring the hand weights to the front now, so we'll have one each side of us. Okay. How about shoulder width apart with your feet will be fine. Sit up nice and tall. The first effort, we're not working hand weights. We're simply going to do a reach, touch, cross touch. And as you come across, the other arm moves just out of the weight. Bring that twist through. So again, strong back, strong abs. Start with your left across to your right. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight forward. Not too much stretch. Next set, you want to increase that. Let's go wider. Wide as you can. Okay. So let's get that reach across. Strong back. Be aware of how you feel. Be aware of your hips. Okay. Exactly the same applies. Left to right start. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Bring the feet closer. Okay, heels to the floor, toes up. We're going to start off about shoulder width apart, so we're not too wide. Fingertips behind the ears. Okay, nice and easy. I'll just demonstrate elbow to knee. Okay, so you've got your twists. So obliques working nice and strong now. Left to right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Abs in. 9. Okay, we're halfway. Keep it going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Go wider for this next set. Now, being aware of what you feel you're capable of, keeping close again as we've just done. So you can exceed your comfort zone if you like. Same 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Okay, so just come out comfortably wide for your straddle. One hand weight. Okay, nice and easy. We go down one leg, return, and down the other. Okay, so as you sweep it forward, abs in tight, and on the return. We'll go to the right leg first, abs tight. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Put the weight down a moment. Breathe. Okay, so we're keeping the straddle. Another set to do. Okay, so again, if hand weight's becoming a bit much, just reach down through with your fingers. Get ready. Next set. Right, starts off. Let's go. 1 and change. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep smiling. 8, 9, 10. Come on. 10, 9. It's all good. 8, 7, 6, 5. I'm watching. 4, 3, 2, 1. And down. Put the weight out of the way. Okay, bring your legs much closer. And just sit up nice and tall. Okay. Tuck the legs underneath. You're sitting comfortably. Okay, so sitting on tops of the feet. Now, I know this isn't comfortable for everybody. So if this isn't easy for you, okay, then you can sit with straight legs like this. Okay, so you can still work the kayak effort nice and safely. So we need one hand weight. And we're sitting on the tops of the feet, bottom to heels. Abs in tight, be strong. Let's go to the right side and change for 20. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1. Nice one. One more set to do. Okay, we're going to double up. So it'll be 2 each side. Abs in tight. Start on your right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on. 10. Keep it going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Fabulous. Put that out of the way. Have a breather. And we're going to cool it down. So from this position, we're going to just straighten those legs forward and take a breath. Okay. Fabulous work. That was a good half hour of abs fun. I like it when that happens. But we'll stretch it out now. I want you to place the palms to the floor behind your hips and the fingers must point towards your feet. Don't turn them around behind you. It's not safe for your elbows or for your wrists. Okay. What I want you to do is just lean back a little and just let your belly relax. So you just feel the breath. Excellent. Okay, push to sit up. where it works for you. You can place the left palm down on the floor just to stop you from falling sideways. So staying as you are, what you should feel is that stretch, just pulling up from behind the hip into your lower back. Nice one. And turn the hand and change it over. Hold that stretch. Excellent. Okay, nice and easy. Return the hand, sit up. We're going to work on the forward stretch, and this is great for the lower back. You've got to think of that. It has done its work as well. So hands to the floor, easy fingertips, and just slide it forward. Nice and easy, just sit yourself up. Okay, bring your legs in closer, knees up, tuck it under, and we're going to stand. So I'm going to come up very safely. Fingertips to the floor, front your knees, push and stand. Excellent, just give your legs a good shake out. So you're standing on your mat, you're facing me, and we've got a nice easy stride. What we're going to do is turn it side to side. Come up onto the ball of the foot so that you've just got that little bit of a twist. Just let the arms wave side to side. Breathe. Releasing from those crunches. Nice. 3, on 2, and 1. Kick it out with the legs. One more, and we'll stretch it up, clasp the hands in front, and lift it. Give it a stretch up. Really pull up through those arms. Fantastic. Arms to your sides, bring it down, shake it out, kick it out. Brilliant work, well done. Give yourself a big clap. Fantastic. See you again.